Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do some glove dipping. This is just my glove that I blow up, and I will just dip with this for create some flowers. And I'm working on 12 by 12 inch canvas, round one. And I think that I will go for pretty minimalistic look today. Just looking for palette knife. I added too much paint, I think. Because for the balloon dips or glove dips, kisses, you don't want to have a lot of paint on the background because it can eat your pattern, kind of. But if you don't have enough, it doesn't create kind of a nice shape of a flowers. Or this is just for my taste, you know. It's all depends on you, which look you prefer, what you like more. I will just spin this to even it up a little bit. This paint for fluid art, it is self-leveling because of the pouring medium, so it's not so important that it's perfectly leveled right now. It will level out while drying, but I like to level it out a little bit before I start with my pattern. I did quite a lot of those dips back then, 4 years and a little more, when I started with acrylic pouring. And lately I watch a lady from Tokyo, Michelle. I have to check. I will check just a second just to do these sides a little bit. I'll just grab my phone to check the lady's name. It's Michelle Nagisa Art, I believe. I will put link to her channel into the description box. She does such a beautiful balloon dips and a little differently, so I think that maybe I want to do something similar today. And I will go just here with the flowers, and I will start with some green. This is asparagus by these little piggy pigments, and this is olive green deep by Amsterdam. And maybe I will just add a little pearl white, just like that, maybe. Okay. And for the flowers I will use Aphrodite, but by these little piggy pigments. Just go for it, and then I will do something if I will think that I need to. And some Bordeaux Red by Winsor & Newton. And some 24K gold. Venetian rose. Maybe I did add this too close, I don't know. We will see. Some pearl white on top here too. And what she do differently is that now she blows this a little bit and then dip. So I will just do that. I will try to work on flowers first, so I want to dip right there. And I will wipe my glove. Like that. And let's do one kiss right here. So here it is. I love it. It almost looks like a bloom flower. Those greens, and they shimmer so nice. I was sick and I didn't do videos lately, so you will have to wait for the dry result. I will show it in my next video. Maybe I'm not so happy with this one, but I will not mess around with it. Because otherwise I'm so happy. This one should be more like those two, but I will definitely try this again. This was just, you know, the first try to do it like that you blow it first and then do the deep. Yes, I know that Jilly Cube does some similar thing, that she blows with the hair dryer first, but with mouth I have more control than with the hair dryer, so this was more for me, I will say. Love it. Tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. Bye.